Nililigo. Are you expecting your chickpea? Hey there! Hey baby! Nag-iisang baby. Nag-iisang baby. Hello, hello, ha. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you friends and viewers. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali at magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. So, andito po ako, naka-riding in tandem. Riding in tandem naman. Ayan. So, nakasuot po ako ng ganito kasi mainit. Siyempre, nandito tayo sa farm, di ba guys? So, protect ourselves naman. Pag nandito tayo sa farm, so, to protect our skin, para hindi naman tayo masyarang iitim. Ganyan talaga pag nasa farm, guys. Ayan. So, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon, I'm going to show you this plant, these fruits actually. These fruits. Ayan oh, nakikita nyo. Itong fruits na to. Akala ko, ito ay isang ano lang, isang pasaway lang sa farm. Hindi pala to pasaway, guys. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan nito. I really don't know what is the name of this plant. I thought that this plant is just somewhat nuisance inside in this farm, but actually it's not. It is actually a food for the duck. So pagkain pala to ng duck, kinakain pala ito ng duck. So hindi ko alam na kinakain pala ito ng duck. So magtataka ka lang kasi tumutubo sila kung saan nandito yung duck namin. So you're just wondering na it is just growing just near to, you know, where the duck is. Kaya ayan, pagkain pala to ng duck. Hindi ko talaga alam. Hindi ko alam tong anong pangalan ng prutas na ito. At saka, yeah, malalaman mo lang pag nandito ka sa, if you want to enter farming talaga, you will know slowly by slowly the things that is in the farm or plants that is in the farm. Malalaman mo talaga kung para saan or nakakain ba o hindi. Kasi kung ano-ano lang ang mga tumutubo sa farm, di ba? Ayan. Okay, so itong mga ganito, medyo ripe na siya. Ito yung mga kinakain ng itik. Parang vitamins to nila eh. Para tong cucumber na maliit. It's like a cucumber na maliit. Tiny cucumber. I really don't know what's the name of this one, but those who have knowledge about this, yung may alam na kung anong pangalan nito, just comment down below kung anong pangalan nito, guys. Let me know what's the name of this one, because it is just growing into here in this farm and I really don't know what's the name of this, and it is actually eaten by the duck. Okay, the duck is waiting, you see. Oh, dala. Here oh. Ang saya nila, guys. I'm picking, naghihintay sila. When I was picking the fruits, they're waiting. Yeah, because they only can pick whatever is in the bottom, but on top, of course naman, hindi mapipick nila. So kailangan ng helping hand ng human being, di ba guys? Ayan, so naaliw ako. Hindi ko talaga alam until I enter into this farming world. Ayan, kaya kinakain nila. Ayan, yung maliit namin na ano, nag-iisa lang siya na ano, chicks sa ano, hindi nag-survive. Hindi ko talaga, I have to study on that, how to take care of a nesting duck. Mayroon naman kaming nesting dyan, oh. Yan ang nesting nila. Hindi yan maulanan kasi naka waterproof yan. Hindi yan naulanan. Kaya lang, masyado sigurong iwan. I have to study on that kung paano talaga alagaan ang itik. Ayan, guys, I'm picking. Thank you very much for watching. If this is new to you, pareho tayo. Marami na tayo. This is new to me. This plant. This is really new to me, and only I know na nakakain pala to. Pwede mong kainin ron. Nakakain din to ng human being. Nakakain din ito. Kasi tinikman ko siya. Para siyang cucumber. Pwede itong gawin ng ano, na salad. Nakakain siya. Pag medyo hinog na siya, medyo matamis-tamis. Kunti. Yan. Ayan. Ayan. Di oh. Tingnan mo, nag-aantay sa akin. Tara. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Ayan po guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day to all of you. God bless all of you.